I would like to call upon Mr. Happy Sheikh from LPN Token, who will talk about LPN Token, digital money for a digital world. You're welcome, sir.
Thank you. Thank you so much for being here. A very good morning, a very good afternoon, a very good evening, whatever you like. But this one is excitement. That depends. It creates the difference. It creates the difference. And Alpine Token. First of all, thanks to join Alpine Token presentation for explore better future. Tomorrow, with new industry and the revolution of cryptocurrency. Many thanks to Dubai Crypto Expo 2021, who gives us the opportunity to represent our project in front of the world for better living, for better tomorrow. A very good evening, everyone. This is Happy Sheikh, Global Corporate Head, Business Coach in Alpine Token project. Thank you so much. So everyone wants to know, people are very curious to know about Alpine Token. What is Alpine Token? It's not a cryptocurrency, it's more than a cryptocurrency. How is it? So let's explain. Alpine Token, please help. Thank you. Alpine Token is a decentralized cryptocurrency, multi-utility token based on ERC20 protocol on Ethereum blockchain. So let's understand, dear friends, the journey of Alpine Token. 15 December 2020, we had started our journey in crypto industry, and our price is 0.40 cent, only 40 cent. And we start our journey with a renowned exchange, that is the Probit Global. 5th February 2021, we are listed on Probit. And that time, our price is $1.42. It's only $1.42. Which commitments we are written in our white paper. After that, we deliver our roadmap. And when our roadmap is working, our scenario is going to work itself. Difference between Probit Global and second exchange is BuyuCoin. We start our journey with Probit Global, but after 6 months, we will list their own self on BuyuCoin. And remember, we start our journey only $0.40. And when we listed on first exchange, our price is $1.40. When we list after 6 months, second exchange, that is a BuyuCoin, and pairing with fiat currency. At that time, our price is only $7, but within 10 days, we will reach our high target. Only 6 months, we will reach our target $100, 40 cents to $100. It's a big achievement for us. And Probit Global, it's explained, it's near about $100. Our journey start only 40 cents. Within 8 months, we are giving, if you talking about CMC coin market cap, if you're talking about CoinGecko, we are the top gainer itself at that time. And the lots of time we reach our target, we are the top gainer in the coin market cap itself and CoinGecko and the lots of crypto projects, lots of crypto platforms. And our 8 months growth is only 130 times, 130%. That's why people want to know what is Alpian token. They are very curious about to know Alpian token. Alpian token, so this one is our 8-month journey. 130% growth calculated. It's a very much important. So how we reach our target, and what about next 8 months? What about next 10 months? Where we will reach? I'll show you how and what type of strategy, technique and technology we used in our platform. That's why we are reaching here. So what is our technique? What is our strategy? What is our technology? Let's explain. So every cryptocurrency is dependent on three parameters. That is utilization, circulation and demand and supply. If your cryptocurrency is utilized in a huge platforms, then automatically they generate their circulation. And if the circulation is very high, then it creates your demand, and supply is limited, then automatically your price is going to rise. Same parameters is working on us. So basically our technology, technique and strategy. Our technology is very simple. And our technology is ERC-20, but our technique is very much important, that is physical community. We found in our research, most of the cryptocurrencies are dependent on virtual community, but we take initiative to create our physical community itself. And physical community, we make our core team, we make our trust, we make our community A, community B. We choose 500 leadership person who have thousands of leadership contacts. So right now, if I'm talking about the physical community, Alpian token, one of the single cryptocurrency in the world who have wonderful physical community instead of virtual community. And physical community gives us a strength. There is no volatility, and physical community is our technique which we develop, but we take some time. So today we have near about 500,000 physical community in whole world. That doesn't mean we don't like virtual community. We have virtual community itself. But it is our technique, it is our strategy to build our project physically itself. So globally we have right now 500,000 approximately physical community. So this one is our first strategy who creates difference from another one project. Our important part is stakeholding. And if you know about Vitalik Buterin, Ethereum 2.0, they also promoting stakeholding. Stakeholding, basically stakeholding control panic sale. And we found in our research, best cryptocurrencies also harm when panic sale work. So we make one more strategy, how to control panic sale. If you control your panic sale, that means no one beat you. So on that basis, we create our long-term financial portfolio management, that means stakeholding. And today, I proudly say, we have near about 200,000 stakeholders who invest in stakeholding. That is the level of trust which is gained by LPN token in the market, which is gained by LPN token. Because today, there is hard money. If anyone invests anywhere, they are not feeling confident because everyone knows the certainty of the market, volatility of the market. But we gain 200,000 stakeholders trust. That is the level of trust which is taken by the LPN token. It's our strength. So first is physical community. Second is stakeholding, because we are promoting our stakeholding project. We have two websites. One is lpntoken.io. lpntoken.io is our informative website, and lpntoken.net, that is our stakeholding website. Our booth number is 54. For if you know about more, come on the booth and definitely meet with our associate. They will guide you. And we found in stakeholding, in trading, 5%, less than 5% earn from trading. 95% persons lose their money in trading. So everyone learn you how to trade, but we teach you how to invest. If your investment is good place, then you earn right profitability. So today, in our stakeholding, you check about the 8-month data of LPN token. If you are a trader, what is your profitability in 8 months? Check our stakeholding program. If you invest before 8 months in our stakeholding program, you will get 130 times. I think it's a big number, 130 times. Because stakeholding control panic sale, it's a long-term portfolio. So it's a very much important, dear friends, to control panic sale. And stakeholding 100% control our panic sale. Second thing, our best features. Decentralized crypto payment gateway, decentralized multi-utility application, decentralized crypto vault. Decentralized crypto payment gateway, within few days we will launch in the market, but we already give our decentralized crypto storage wallet itself. We already deliver our decentralized multi-utility application itself. And few days we will launch our decentralized crypto vault. This vault is working for the gaming platforms. If you have gaming solutions, you will come here. We are providing decentralized crypto vault for the gaming solutions. Like big gaming platforms are welcome to our decentralized crypto vault. So, right now, we have 5 best features. One, we have a strong physical community. Second, we have strong stakeholding. Our product, decentralized crypto payment gateway, decentralized multi-utility application already delivered to the market, already. Decentralized crypto vault, decentralized multi-utility application itself. So right now, we deliver 3 technologies already in the market, because if you are not practical, no one believes you. Your words is matter if you are giving practical. So today, we have everything is practical. Our roadmap strategy, our roadmap which timing is mentioned in our roadmap, we already deliver to the market. And before time we deliver, that is our words. And dear friends, Alpian Token already promoting lots of supportive wallets. Already Alpian Token, you can use JX, MyCrypto, Coinomi, everyone knows because all are crypto players, so don't need to I explain. But Alpian Token right now, supportive wallets, there is a lots of supportive wallets and you can already, you can use. And second thing is live price and ranking. So CoinMarketCap itself, but it's not only CoinMarketCap. There is a CoinOxid, CoinCodex, CoinRanking, CoinGecko, CoinPair, CoinStats. All are the live price and ranking platform. We already registered on that. One more thing, where we are stand today. I'm really thankful to CoinRanking. Please listen carefully. I'm really thankful to CoinRanking because CoinRanking start a search globally last month, and after research they announce there is a two cryptocurrencies most researched by the persons. And the two cryptocurrencies, one cryptocurrency is mostly researched by the world. One is Shibu, and 30 days continue research globally. Second is Alpian Token. It's a wonderful thing. It's a big achievement. It's a big achievement. So dear friends, we are here, we are giving 130% because we deliver our words and we believe in our words, we believe in our technology, as well as our team. A special thanks to Satish Mostra, who is the MD of the project, who gives me wonderful opportunity, as well as our core team, as well as our whole community, as well as the whole Crypto Expo, who gives us opportunity to represent our project in front of you, as well as all media supportives. They gives us a wonderful news about Alpian Token. What is Alpian Token? How to grow? Where is Alpian Token is going to stand? What is the strategy? What is the technique? What is the technology? All are in the media. All are in the media. There is no hidden part of Alpian Token. So it's all due to our best features. So these words, thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen, once again being here. I have one minute. Thank you. Thank you so much once again for being here. Thank you so much, audience. Thank you so much, organizers. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for being here. Love you all. Thank you.